So I spent a few hours on the SC motor today. So for those that don't know, this is a 3 litre SC out of a 1979 911. And yeah, I've got the long motor completed pretty much. So I've just put on the heads and the camshaft towers today. And both sides, the camshaft rotates nice and free. So as you can see, beautiful. So yeah, everything's nice and true, nice and flat. We've got the Supertech head studs in there. You can't really see them, but hopefully they won't be breaking anytime soon. Heads have been rebuilt, new valves, new guides, resurfaced, and yeah, it's all coming together nicely. So hopefully in the next few days I'll be able to get the valve train in, do some camshaft timing, and get this thing buttoned up. Keep watching.